What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a transmission flush on your 2011 Ford Escape. So let's get to it. Engage the emergency parking brake to secure the vehicle. Then elevate it using a floor jack and support it on jack stands. While SUV jack stands are best used for better clearance, my skinny ass fits underneath just fine with standard jacks. Locate and remove the 10mm bolt securing the splash cover. Fold and tuck in the cover to get it out of the way. Use an 11mm socket to extract the drain plug. Refill the transmission with 4.5 quarts of Mercon LV transmission fluid through the dipstick tube. Start the car. Allow the engine to reach normal operating temperature. Shift to each gear for 5 seconds both down and then back up to park. With the car running, verify the transmission fluid level. If it's low, then just add a little bit more, and then repeat the gear shifts before rechecking the level. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.